Hello, in this tutorial video we will be speaking about order management. So to find your orders inside multi-orders, first you need to click on the order button right at the top. It will redirect you to this page. Now, a couple of things to remember. On the very top you can see new, shipped, all, drop shipping, cancelled, pending. So the new means all of your new orders that haven't been shipped yet, or they haven't been cancelled. Now the shipped section will have all of your already shipped orders, and if the order is in the shipped column, that means there were updates on your marketplace as well. We changed the order status on the marketplace from ordered to shipped. All means all, everything. New, shipped, cancelled, pending, etc. You can find everything in the all section. Drop shipping is the orders that you can place yourself into this section, which will be handled by a third-party shipping company or a supplier. Cancelled orders are the orders that you cancelled yourself or that have been cancelled on the marketplace. We will download that update and push the orders here, but you can still find them. Maybe you would like to get in contact with that person and ask why the order has been cancelled. The pending orders are the orders that have some missing information. That means that they lack the bare minimum to be shipped. Maybe the person that was ordering on your marketplace didn't fill all the gaps. It didn't provide a shipping address or any required information that needs to be for shipping. So then we put those orders into the pending section. By the way, all Amazon orders will be in the pending section as well, and I mean all the Amazon orders that have not been paid. If an Amazon order isn't paid, that means it will be put in the pending section because it will lack the bare minimum to be shipped. Also, you will see a little bit more selections if you would have Amazon. For instance, if you have Amazon FBA, all of your orders will be in Amazon FBA section. At the moment, I don't have it because I don't use Amazon. If you would be using Amazon MCF, MCF is when you're planning to ship non-Amazon order by Amazon FBA. So you will find those orders in the Amazon MCF section as well. Also, there is a section which is called in progress. We put orders there that you can print out shipping labels, but we do not update the marketplace. But about in progress, we will speak a little bit later throughout this video. So for the moment, just have in mind that your orders can be placed in various fields, and now you can understand why that order is in a different field. Always remember that on the top right corner we have this little question mark which you can click, and you will be redirected directly to our Q&A section about integrations, orders, inventory, etc. Here you will find tutorial guides how to correctly integrate any of your sales channels as well. And as I said previously, if you have any questions, just write directly to our live chat or give us a call and we will help you with the process of the integration. I hope this video was useful, and as always, have a nice day.